Well, hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I'll make some deviled eggs, or as my nieces and nephew like to call them, stinky eggs. They don't know why they call them that, besides they do have a little stink to them, but they sure do chow them down when I make them. And it's a funny thing, I get stuck with making them, I think because folks don't want to peel the eggs, but they ain't too hard to peel if you do it right. But anyways, start off with my dozen eggs here, and then you'll see you got the salt there, and the salt is add it in because it actually does help with the peeling process. So you can just use whatever salt that you want. And I use about a half a cup of salt in them, and once I've got my salt in there, then I'll just start filling up the pan there with just some good cold water. And I'll just fill it up till I get right over the tops of my eggs. And then once it's full with cold water, then it'll just go on the stove, turn it on high, and let it come up to a boil like it is. And then once I reach the boil, I'll let it boil for about a minute, and then I'll just go ahead and turn off my eye, and then I place me a lid over it, and then I'll let the egg sit for 10 minutes. Once that 10 minutes is up, I'll pour off that water, pour on more cold water, and then some ice. And the ice will help just kind of just shock it and to help with the peeling process. And then just peel them, and the shell will come right off of them. And then it's just starting to splitting the eggs in half, throw them in a bowl, and then for my filling, it's just a base filling. You can put whatever you want to into them. I use Worcestershire, Salt&Pepper, Mayonnaise, and hot sauce. And I'll have all the ingredients down below, but it's like 2/3 of a cup of mayo, a teaspoon both of hot sauce and Worcestershire, and then just salt and pepper to taste. And then I'll whip that up till it's really good and smooth. Put it in my redneck piping bag there, just a good old Ziploc bag. This just makes it easier for filling. That I like it, and it's not near as messy, because if I try to do it with a spoon, I'll flop them everywhere. But then it's just filling it up there, and boom, there you go. Easy, simple deviled eggs. And like I said, this is just a base recipe on how to do them, but you can do it with sweet relish or dill, or put bacon in them, and then you do this little sprinkle of paprika as well on them, just to give them that pretty look that you want. But anyways, this is how to make some deviled eggs, just an easy, simple recipe. I thank y'all so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.